In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Doordash gift card balance. We'll walk through the exact screens you need on both the app and the website, and I'll explain what you're seeing so there's no confusion. Start by opening the Doordash app on your phone, or go to the Doordash website in your browser and log into your account. This part is important because the balance is tied to the specific account you're signed into. If you've ever redeemed a gift card on a different profile, make sure you're using the same login so the correct credits show up for you. Once you're in, head to Account. On the mobile app, Account is in the bottom navigation bar and may look like a person icon. On the website, look to the top right corner, open your profile menu and choose Account. This is where Doordash keeps your personal details and payment information, so it's the right place to find anything related to credits and balances. Next, open Payment, or depending on your device and app version, it may appear as gift cards and credits. Don't worry about the exact wording, both lead to the same place where Doordash stores your payment methods and available funds. If you see Payment, tap or click it. If you see gift cards and credits, choose that. The goal is simply to get to the section that lists what's available to use on your orders. Here, you'll see your available gift card balance displayed alongside any account credits. Doordash combines gift card funds with credits so you can view a single total that's ready to apply at checkout. If you recently redeemed a gift card, that amount will be reflected here as part of your available balance. This total updates automatically and represents how much you have ready to spend before any additional payment method is needed. You can also check your remaining balance during checkout before placing an order. On the checkout screen, Doordash shows how much of your order will be covered by credits and what, if anything, is left to pay. It's a quick way to confirm your balance in context, especially if you want to see exactly how your credits apply to a specific cart, and that's all there is to it. Open Doordash and log in, go to Account, select Payment or Gift Cards and Credits, and read your balance in the credits area. Once you know where to look, checking your gift card funds takes just a few seconds anytime you're getting ready to order.